In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace. Anchor links let visitors jump straight to a specific spot on a page, which is perfect for long pages with multiple sections like services, FAQs, or pricing. They improve navigation, speed up access to key content, and make your site feel more polished. Start by going to your Squarespace site and opening the exact page where you want an anchor. Make sure you're looking at the page layout you'll be editing so the changes land in the right place. It helps to decide in advance which section should be the jump target, for example, the top of your pricing or contact section. Next, click Edit to enter page editing mode. This unlocks the page so you can make layout and settings changes. You'll know you're in the right place when you see section outlines and on-hover controls appear over your content. Now hover over the section you want people to jump to and choose Edit Section. A section in Squarespace is one of those horizontal content bands that stack down the page. Pick the one you actually want visitors to land on. Editing the section opens its settings panel, usually on the side of the screen, where you can adjust layout, style, and other options specific to that section. Inside the section settings, look for the Anchor Link option and click it. This is where you assign a unique name to the section, which becomes the anchor's ID. Type a simple, descriptive name that's easy to remember and clean for URLs. Use lowercase letters, avoid spaces and special characters, and if you need separators, use hyphens. For example, services, pricing table, or contact top. Keep each anchor name unique on the page so your links always know exactly where to go. Once you enter the anchor name, the section now has a stable destination you can link to. Any link that points to this page followed by a hash and your anchor, like hashtag pricing table, will smoothly scroll visitors to that exact section. This works for buttons, text links, and navigation items on the same page or from other pages. A quick tip, anchors can be case sensitive and must not include spaces. Also, if your site uses a fixed header, visitors might land slightly under it. If that happens, add a bit of top padding to the target section so the heading isn't hidden. That's all there is to it. You went to your site, clicked Edit, opened Edit section for the target area, and used the Anchor Link option to name it. With that in place, you have a reliable way to guide visitors exactly where you want them to go.